like because for
so if you say like you can jump, like when you can count, I can jump to this, or you can just hit a jump, just jump.
Like
normally
anything.
Okay, Furry like wow.
Furry like is full of surprises, man. Like I don't like to be predictable.
Matt, can we give a cut there? A paramedic. We can't do like that. We can't. We can't. That's why I don't like we need to kill them professionally. I don't mind forgiving them. Yeah, guys, we're having this now. Yeah, carry, bro.
Yeah, I like this vibe. Some boom bap, you know.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Yo, I promise not a virgin, so I'm never gonna break it. I stand on my word, and I'm never hesitating, cause I know myself. This my story, ain't nobody tell it better than I do in this world. Nothing.
I don't know, guys, but nginganikeza uphara batshela ukuthi why bakubiza ngephara.
Awe bafethu, it's your boy CP bafethu, back in the building. Welcome to Roman Podcast bafethu. As I shoot umzakhe bafethu, asambe sota bafethu, somebody leading artist bafethu. You know, we bring something different. Fire bafethu. We promote people. You wanna show up, you can come in our platform. We're gonna introduce you to our people, and then if you have a business to market on it, you can come through, we can talk about it, and then sikhiphelele ngaphandle bafethu. Rather than that bafethu, vandaag ngiphethe nge-out yami bafethu eshisayo eyase-Drizzy bafethu ishaye hip hop bafethu. Angazi abanye benu niyamazi, but mina ngiyamazi vele untanga vele bengifana naye vele isigela. Uzozintroduce bafethu. Vele sengiyoba ngizophatha i-mic kuye bafethu. Awe my dog.
Awe bro, awe you good?
I'm good my dog. What it do, what it does?
Bro, you know, I come with Furry.
Yeah,
it's Furry Rampage. Kuma socials anyway.
Yeah.
Otherwise, I've been doing this for a while, bro.
I've
been doing this for a while, like since I was a kid.
Yeah.
Since we push, then I started.
So it's about to go down. It is always going down.
It's always going down.
It's always going down.
Yeah.
Give it up, guys, for Oversized.
Oversized $. Yeah. 6:30 a.m. Keve apple phelile iphupho loku-3 p.m. Mele ngicabanga iplan yesuni ngizovula umnyango sinto asihlangani mari yacava yikho edlula umphando sengibajayele fork ayikho clever sazongimisa mangibheke ku-north south ngidinga support ngidinga escort sindela ngamagani ngena ngesword umqondo wami ucolorful ukuthrow ilithom I like to picture that. You know what happened in my hood? Never understood cause you never was on. Thole khona ngiphushile heavy mangida dora ngicela ungangiblame because dona leli gasi.
Hey,
we living in Jumanji.
Yeah.
Oversized. Oversized. So, give the score.
Out of 10.
Ladies and yes.
Two beats, bro.
Yeah.
For him.
Yeah, I'm gonna cook 2 beats for you.
So guys, in Jalo, Furry Rampage is about to cook for my boy Oversized bafethu because good Roman Podcast we are unfiltered. This boy is making me to go bananas even the water is going down. Even I want to tell you, there's no full here because the cup is about to go full bafethu. Siyazi ukuthi lapha ekhaya you are wondering ukuthi kamampela izoyenzeka lento le. Guys, the songs sizobuya nayo. Mhlambe singabuya sesinikeza music video ka Oversized no Furry Rampage. It's about to go down. Angithi bafethu yithi sibahlanganisile. Bahlanganiswa bobani?
Roman Podcast.
Music video. If now you are there ekhaya, you are wondering ukuthi ngizosi-advertise kanjani. You are here to market yourself. Roaming Podcast bafethu. Satholakala mad visuals on the YouTube bafethu. Yithi kuphela light Drizzy.
So mzakhe ngizakuthe unegame yabona manje.
This